Hi eGP learners, welcome to this video where we're going to look at something called the TAP wireless keyboard and mouse. This is an unboxing video, so I hope you enjoy it because it's my first opportunity to have a look at this piece of kit as well. So effectively this is the box. As you can see, it's quite nice, standard kind of smart device little box, and underneath it tells you effectively what this device does. So it's a wearable keyboard and mouse that acts wirelessly and can be used with a variety of different systems like smartphones or PCs, and that acts as a controller and pretty easy to use from what it says. Well, to have a look at it, so opening up the box, this is the device. Well, actually this is the case for the device. So as you can see, it's got a nice little window where you can see in through, but this also happens to be the charger for the device. So as you can see here, nice little charging ports and stuff. And in addition to the device itself, we've also got the instruction manuals. There we are. A quick start guide, glossary for how to use the TAP, and we'll cover that in more detail in the following videos, operation manual, and standard micro USB charger cable. So this is like one you would use at home and things. Just pop those back. Let's have a close look at the device itself. So on opening it, as you can see, it's quite an attractive little thing. Effectively, it's kind of like a nunchuck, is probably the best way of describing it, but with soft innards rather than hard metal. And it's basically plastic with coated keys, which I'm assuming are gyroscopic in nature in terms of how it works. And effectively, to use the device, you put it on your thumb and then thread each individual finger in. The device is designed to be used with either hand, and effectively that's it. So I'm going to have a go at using this. The kit does come with an app that allows you to learn how to use the keyboard mechanism for using this as a one-handed keyboard, and I'll take some videos to show you how that works. And then my aim is to start using this in clinical practice to see if this is a functional device for us to use in clinics as an alternative to the keyboards that we currently use. We'll find out. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoyed seeing this interesting little piece of kit. As always, if you want to find out more of our reviews as well as news and information in terms of resources for clinical use and technology enhanced primary care and learning, follow our YouTube channel or Facebook page and you'll be able to see further videos and more information. As always guys, comment, share, keep eGP learning, and let's tech enhance your primary care. See you later. Bye.